guys. Tea time. Tea time is absolutely right. Have you seen our latest and greatest Tara's must-have? If you're part of our email list, you absolutely saw it because we sent out an email earlier sharing it with you guys, but we thought it would be fun to come on live and share our awesome holiday tea set. You guys, it is so much fun. Hey, Rhonda. Hello, everyone. Jumping on. Give you a couple of minutes to get there. Candace, Mary, hi. Lisa's joining me.
I am.
Wimbley's here. Mr. Bo Jingles is here.
And the angel is...
She's flying around somewhere. Maybe she'll land in a little while.
That's right. She's good.
Right?
Good karma.
Yeah, absolutely good karma.
Absolutely.
Hello, everyone. Oh, Ruth Ann is here and Diane is here. Patricia, Angel. Speaking of, see, Angel. We were just talking about.
So funny,
isn't that crazy?
It?
I love it. Linda Weaver. Hello, Linda. Hi. All right, so we wanted to have a little tea time.
Yeah.
And we are going to reminisce and talk a little bit. This is not an Ask Me Anything. This is Tara's must-have, our latest and greatest. What is a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item. Can I give you some tea?
Thank you.
A spot of tea.
Spot of tea.
It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you. That's pretty and practical and purposeful.
Perfect.
And I have to tell you, tea sets for me are just one of those great memories. We always have tea. As a matter of, I love the teapot. Look, okay, so let's just talk real quick. Tara's must-have. Under $25, $24.95. Holiday edition. I know. Not just for this. There's more than just this. Just for this would be a great price. Wait till you see what else is included. Limited edition holiday tea set with our iconic holiday scenes. On the teapot, on the front and the back, we have our beautiful, gorgeous Christmas tree. Our fireplace, that's coming in a minute. Our mailbox that has our beautiful cardinal that I do in honor of my father. And of course, our sleigh with all of the packages. Look at the scallop detail on the base of that beautiful teapot. And then the nice oversized handle. It's on the front and on the back. Nice oversized pour spout. And a beautiful lid that has a cute little kind of like ornament finial on there. And a little catch. So when you are pouring hot liquid out of it, no worries. You can boil water on the stove and put it in here. Put water in here and put it in the microwave to heat it. The only thing you don't want to do with a stoneware teapot is put it on an open flame. Okay? So that's the first piece in the set. Oh, wait, it gets better.
Sure does.
Then in the sugar piece, that little covered ramekin, if you will, 10 ounces in total capacity. We have Santa by the fireplace. Can't go too close. With all the ornaments, hung by the chimney with care. That's on the front and the back. That same pedestal detail that we have down below also applies. And then look, we did a little green ornament on the top just to bring in all of that cutesy. Going to purchase it. Nita, I'm telling you, it's adorable. The biggest single request we get in our holiday collection is a tea set.
Yeah, for sure.
So this is a tea service, right? You have your teapot, you have your sugar shell, and then look at how adorable our creamer is. I love this little mini pitcher, right? 10 ounces also in total capacity. And there we have Santa. He's by the stovetop, and he's got all of his friends helping. Wimbley and Gumdrop and all of those great pieces coming together. So it's basically a 5-piece set with your lids in a limited edition. Comes in a gift box. Look at this with a bow and go right at the top. Like, no brainer. If you are thinking about a great gift, this is an awesome gift. And what's nice about this is maybe you don't always want to, I know I'm super talkative. Maybe you don't always want to invest in holiday dishes, but you want some key holiday pieces.
I love this.
A beautiful tea service in our holiday left out on your sideboard would be absolutely stunning.
Yeah, don't you remember that, like growing up, your mom
100%.
or your grandmom would have those special pieces they pulled out year after year.
The traditions, right?
Yeah, but like they make you smile because they just bring back so many great memories of what, just either Christmases past, people that were with us in the past.
Yes.
We remember, we were talking about it the other day, right? How you would sit at your grandmother's, I would sit at my grandmother's.
Yeah.
We would have, wait a second.
It was such a simpler time then.
Do you want a cookie?
Do I want a cookie? Oh, not my gumdrop button. Look at that. By the way, they're so soft.
Hold on. Yeah.
Are you going to actually eat a piece?
Yes.
I'm going to eat his head.
I'm going to
These are
taste it.
outstanding.
Oh my gosh, these are so good.
Outstanding.
Wow. So wait, can I just I have to brag on you on this.
Okay.
Seriously. It's truly stunning. And the fact that on both sides, you have that amazing Christmas scene. I always say, so it's like, you know how there's the Norman Rockwell scene? This is the Temptation scene.
Yeah, you're right.
Truly.
I love that Steve says this makes my heart smile.
Really?
I love that. Absolutely. Just found a great gift for mom. Yes, absolutely. These are those pieces that you will pass down from generation to generation, or as Lisa was saying, become the memories. I saw Joy Gathers jumped on.
Oh, hi,
Her
Joy.
and her sweet little family, her 2 boys and little girl, they could have a little tea party. And every year, Joy could take this out, and they could have memories.
I love that.
That kind of kick off the season. So these are those great pieces that are really special. They come in a gift box, and it becomes a tradition. Last night, if you joined me while we were sharing our Wimbley and Snowman and our must-have, I showed you my nativity scene that my parents started me almost 20 years ago at this point. And so I look forward to taking out all of those pieces, just like I look forward to taking out all of my Temptations pieces, setting my table, decorating the tree. Those things we yearn for that are more normal right now,
Yes.
right? That we're leaning towards. These are those types of pieces, and this is why I really wanted to create it. You've loved the holiday pieces, but a tea service is just one of those, I think, really sweet no-brainers. So where can you get it? Over at temptations.com. It's under $25, which is actually amazing. For the 1.5 quart teapot itself, 10 ounces in a covered sugar shell, and then of course 10 ounces in that beautiful creamer, which by the way, you could put syrup in, put it in the microwave, and put it all over your pancakes. So
that too.
yes.
Béarnaise
Well, there's
sauce
that.
for your eggs Benedict.
Yeah, and hollandaise.
Did you see what Debbie just said?
No.
I forgot about that. A lot of people do collect teapots, and they display them like in their dining room cabinets.
Yes.
This is so great, and then it's like you get 2 bonus pieces.
I
with
love it.
Right?
You'll use it a million different ways. Any cookie jars? Beth, are we making you hungry with the cookies that we're eating? Because I got to tell you, these are delicious.
These are so good. Wait, actually, I don't even love gingerbread, and these are awesome.
Where are the teacups? It's hip to be square. That's all we're going to say.
Thursday night. Stay tuned.
It's hip to be square.
Brand new colors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only ever did it once in gray. Now we have more colors coming back in.
I love this. You know what I love about it? That this time of the year, we're actually like setting the table in different ways, whether it's holiday, everyday.
Yeah. And also
Stay
smaller
tuned.
scale, right? Smaller scale, because maybe you're not having 8 to 10 people and it's just your immediate family, like we did for Thanksgiving. It's okay. Now you can add some of these pieces in that are so fun. But here's the scoop, and then we're going to let you go. We did not bring a ton of these in our limited edition, our holiday collections. We bring in a small quantity. It's the only order of the year. We won't be getting any more of these back in this year, and not necessarily make plans to make it again next year. So when we talk about a limited edition and something as special as this, it truly is meant to be that. And so we know so many of you love to collect these pieces, and so this is an absolute no-brainer with the tree. And I love that we captured all of our iconic scenes, the tree, the adorable Santa by the stovetop cooking. This piece just makes me smile. They all do, actually.
Love that.
And then Santa with his friends over by the fireplace, and he's actually eating a cookie. Oh, square is looking good. Hey, Kay, lots of colors in the square.
I love that.
We do hot chocolate parties in our house with the kids. They would love these Christmas
that's
scenes.
so cute.
See, there's Joy now starting a tradition with her family.
I love that.
I
I told you, my sister every year, like this year a little different. Are you looking? This is all I have left of
There's
my
a
cooking.
foot. There's a foot.
Makes gingerbread houses with her grandchildren.
Yes.
But how cute. Like hot chocolate.
And this year they did it outside,
They
right?
did it outside on different areas of the lawn so they could all
really
be
sweet.
socially distanced.
Very
Isn't that
sweet.
very sweet?
Very sweet.
Wait, you know what else would be really cool in here?
Tell me.
Like, so I think we're all eating so casually now. What if you put soup in here? And you actually poured like your tomato soup out of the teapot. How great would that be? And you could put like your croutons in one of these.
Ooh, a little extra cheese.
Extra cheese.
Super sweet.
That'd be
Love
really
that idea.
cute, right?
Love. You guys are the best. Anyway, thank you for jumping on. We truly enjoyed spending time with you. Check out our Tara's Must Have. Do not wait, you guys. Since we made it available earlier this morning, you're getting me all choked up on my gingerbread cookie. head over to temptations.com, sign up for our email list so that we send you these in advance. So when they are as limited as this one, you make sure you secure yours. And from our family to yours, cheers, right,
Cheers,
friend?
my friend.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right, we'll see you guys soon. Bye. Coming in close. Here I am. Bye, guys.